Commonly used UX design tools include prototyping tools, UI design tools, whiteboard tools, icon sets, and user experience tools. Axure is the most commonly used tool for UX design, by which you can quickly create interactive prototypes. It is the favorite of many UX designers, including me. Balsamiq can quickly create prototypes on virtual whiteboards. Flinto can add sound effects, haptics, and animated transitions to prototypes. Framer is a tool to design interactive high-fidelity prototypes. InVision transforms web and app designs into interactive prototypes and mock-ups. UXPin can design component-driven high-fidelity prototypes. Figma is a team collaboration UI design tool that is browser-based and does not require installation, making it very convenient. Sketch is also a famous web and application design tool and is currently used by most UI designers. Miro is online whiteboard for virtual collaboration. It has many built-in product and user experience templates. InVision is also an online collaborative whiteboard drawing tool. FlatIcon has more than 4 million free icons in PG, CVG, EPs, PSD, and Base60 for formats. Lordicon is a dynamic icon library. Its icons have excellent design. Empty States has templates for blank pages of various devices that can be downloaded. UX Archive is a mobile user flowchart library. Using it, you can analyze how other famous programs solve design problems.